Hey, a weather alert, actually. An actual weather alert besides the stupid besides the civil messages I keep getting.
This is a winter storm warning from the National Weather Service. For the following locations in Colorado,
What?
Range foothills including Idaho Springs and Evergreen, and the mountains of Summit County, the Mosquito Range, and the Indian Peaks. Winter storm warning in effect from 6 a.m. Sunday to 6
Oh my God.
Mountain Daylight Time Monday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 8 to 14 inches. Winds gusting as high as 30 miles per hour. Where? The mountains of Summit County, the Mosquito Range, and the Indian Peaks, the Southern Front Range foothills, and South Park. When? From 6 a.m. Sunday to 6 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time Monday. The following impacts are expected. Travel could be difficult with a slow morning commute Monday morning. The cold wind chills as low as 25 below zero could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 30 minutes. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511.